Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're gonna make some French duck parmentier. So the parmentier is a very old French dish that was it was used to be done with some meat leftovers, and today we do it a little bit more gourmet with some duck. So we will need to make some pulled duck. You already know the pulled pork, pulled lamb, maybe even the pulled beef, but I guess you don't know the pulled duck. So we will do that by smoking some duck's legs for maybe 2 hours at 120 Celsius degrees, 225, 250 Fahrenheit degrees, sorry, in your Pit Boss Navigator, of course. And then we will braise those legs with some juices in a Dutch oven or in a cast iron pan or whatever you want, as long as it's covered and filled with some liquid. All right, so the first step is to rub the meat. I will use the Loot & Booty Gold Star chicken rub, which is a crazy rub for competition, and it's perfect for chicken and poultry. Okay, so let's go. We will let it rest maybe for 1 hour at a time for the rub to get in the meat. All right, and then we will smoke it at 120 Celsius degrees, 240, 250 Fahrenheit degrees. All right, 2 hours. All right, the next step now is to put the meat in a Dutch oven with just 1 centimeter of chicken broth and close the lid. So we will be broil the meat until it pulls off the bones. All right? Okay. Look at that. The meat is falling off the bone. It's really pulling apart easily. So it's perfect. We can finish the parmentier. So now it's really easy to do. I would just make the parmentier with some mashed potatoes, some duck, and some more mashed potatoes. Perfect. So the duck parmentier is finished. You have seen how easy it is to do it on a Pit Boss Navigator 850. Of course, now you can put your vegetables, your sides, or whatever you want. You can grill the potato to make it more beautiful. But the meat is so tender, so juicy, so tasty. It's just perfect. So I hope you appreciate this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I wish you all a very happy Christmas and a happy New Year. Thank you. Bye bye.